English Learning Network.
I just woke up.
I just woke up.
I feel a little sleepy.
I feel a little sleepy.
Let me open the window.
Let me open the window.
The room feels warm.
The room feels warm.
I need some fresh air.
I need some fresh air.
I will make the bed.
I will make the bed.
I forgot to set the alarm.
I forgot to set the alarm.
I woke up late today.
I woke up late today.
I need a few more minutes.
I need a few more minutes.
Today feels busy.
Today feels busy.
I'm making breakfast.
I'm making breakfast.
What do you want to eat?
What do you want to eat?
I'm not very hungry.
I'm not very hungry.
The tea is hot.
The tea is hot.
I'll make some toast.
I'll make some toast.
Please pass me the salt.
Please pass me the salt.
I will wash the dishes.
I will wash the dishes.
The kitchen is messy.
The kitchen is messy.
I will clean it now.
I will clean it now.
Cooking at home is easy.
Cooking at home is easy.
I need to clean the room.
I need to clean the room.
The floor is dirty.
The floor is dirty.
I will sweep the floor.
I will sweep the floor.
I will do the laundry.
I will do the laundry.
The house looks better now.
The house looks better now.
Let me fix this.
Let me fix this.
Put everything in place.
Put everything in place.
The trash is full.
The trash is full.
I will take it out.
I will take it out.
The sink is full.
The sink is full. Let's take a break.
Let's take a break. Sit down and relax.
Sit down and relax.
I will watch TV.
I will watch TV.
This show is nice.
This show is nice.
Change the channel.
Change the channel.
The sound is too loud.
The sound is too loud.
Please lower the volume. Please lower the volume. I will check my phone.
I will check my phone.
I have some messages.
I have some messages.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
I need some rest.
I need some rest.
I will take a nap.
I will take a nap.
I feel better now.
I feel better now.
I need water.
I need water.
Drink more water.
Drink more water.
I will make tea.
I will make tea.
Tea helps me relax.
Tea helps me relax.
I like quiet time.
I like quiet time.
Home feels peaceful.
Home feels peaceful.
Let's cook lunch.
Let's cook lunch.
What should we cook?
What should we cook?
I will cut vegetables.
I will cut vegetables.
Please wash the rice.
Please wash the rice.
The food smells good.
The food smells good.
Lunch is ready.
Lunch is ready.
Let's eat together.
Let's eat together.
The food tastes nice.
The food tastes nice.
I like this dish.
I like this dish.
Let's clean up.
Let's clean up.
The afternoon is calm.
The afternoon is calm.
I will read a book.
I will read a book.
Reading is relaxing.
Reading is relaxing.
I like this time.
I like this time.
The weather is nice.
The weather is nice.
I will sit here.
I will sit here.
I like this view.
I like this view.
Time goes fast.
Time goes fast.
I have more work.
I have more work.
Let me organize this.
Let me organize this.
I will make dinner.
I will make dinner.
Dinner is simple.
Dinner is simple.
Simple food is good.
Simple food is good.
The kitchen smells nice.
The kitchen smells nice.
Dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
Come and eat.
Come and eat.
I will wash dishes.
I will wash dishes.
The kitchen is clean.
The kitchen is clean.
Everything looks good.
Everything looks good.
The house feels nice.
The house feels nice.
I will take a shower.
I will take a shower.
The water is warm.
The water is warm.
I feel fresh now.
I feel fresh now.
I will change clothes.
I will change clothes.
I am getting ready for bed.
I am getting ready for bed.
Check the door.
Check the door.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights.
I will set the alarm.
I will set the alarm.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to charge my phone.
Where did I put my keys?
Where did I put my keys?
The fan is not working.
The fan is not working.
Please close the door.
Please close the door.
I left my bag on the table.
I left my bag on the table.
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
I'm looking for my charger.
I'm looking for my charger.
It's getting dark outside.
It's getting dark outside.
Let me turn on the light.
Let me turn on the light.
I will lock the door.
I will lock the door.
The room is too cold.
The room is too cold.
I need a blanket.
I need a blanket.
The dog is waiting by the door.
The dog is waiting by the door.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.